Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Vodafone Error Code 8401. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access the Vodafone app, but the app becomes completely unusable. According to our research, this is probably a system-side issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the Vodafone app and then restart your device. Once your device restarts, try launching the app again and check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the Vodafone app. Simply go to the App Store and search for the Vodafone app, and if you see any available update, install it. Then check for the error again. If the error persists, try disconnecting from your current internet connection and then reconnect again. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it is likely a system-side issue. So we suggest you wait for some time and try accessing the app again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.